back everyone to Monkey Craft. My name's Eric. I got another video for you today. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about a print I did. And it all started when I had some company over and they were sitting at the sofa at the living room. We were watching some football and we were there for a while, and you haven't seen my living room, but I don't have a big large table in front of the sofa. And they said, Eric, you need to get a little table that we can put our drinks on and stuff. Just a small little one. I said, yeah. Maybe I'll go over to the Salvation Army and see what I can find, right? Maybe, you know, like a little, well, a dinner table, folding dinner table kind of thing they have for the on your table. So, I started thinking about it and I said, well, why am I going to buy something? Why don't I just make it and print it myself? That's what I got here. Here you go, guys. I got a table. Well, here you go, guys. I got a table. Just what I needed, right? They wanted a table, I got a table. Printed it myself. Let me break it down for you here. That part we don't need. We got a top piece. We'll see how that goes. And we got 4 different legs. These are the bottom, some of the bottom legs. You can tell these are the top legs. They're designed so that this piece fits in the top. So that's the top. That's the top. Another bottom. Bottom. Another top. Top. And they go together with these little connectors. There's 2 different sizes, right? Alright. I haven't done this before. We're going to do it live here. See how it comes out. Hopefully in a few minutes I'll have myself a table. Nice construction, huh? Took me about 12 hours, 14 hours to print all these pieces on the using my 3 Bamboo Lab H2S printers. So let's see how this works. Hopefully this doesn't turn into a fail, right? I'm thinking. I did a test print on these the other day and they went in. Alright. Okay. I know you don't want them too tight. Too tight they might snap. Now see, that one fits a little softer, but you get an idea how big it's going to be, right? Not sure how far I want to get them in before I start really knocking them together. Let's put some more tops and bottoms together first. I hate to get this thing all knocked together and realize, oops, I should have done something different. Now this is the top. And that's the top. That goes in there. in there, right? Whoops. I think I better start the top and the bottom at the same time or I'm going to have a problem. Simple design. Designed by the same designer that built the parts for the shipping station. You know these bends, I did a video on this if you haven't seen it yet. Hopefully it's out already, if not, you'll see it. Same designer. Did a great job with that. Seems like he did a great job with this too. So. And all this file is all going to be linked down below. So if you'd like to try one of these yourself, you can download the file off of Make a World. This might be. Man, this is going together. I gotta tell you, I thought I'd be wrestling with this thing a little bit, but no. What a sweet design this designer came up with, right? Man, what do you think about that? Is that sweet or what? Need something? Make something. That's my new motto. That's awesome. Perfect for putting your drinks on. I don't have a drinker on here. I don't have an empty cup here. But anyway, you get the idea. Sits in front of the sofa and you can put your drink on there or chips or something. What do you think, guys? Let me know what you think. So that's probably going to take care of this little video clip. I know it was a quick one. I just want to show it to you real quick. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you, if you haven't done it already, to go ahead and like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in my next video. Hi guys, I'm just here out in the shop with my little buddy Bernie. Wanted to give you a quick video to remind you that I'm running a promotion for my YouTube channel, Monkey Craft, and I'm giving away some 3D print filament and a brand new in the box Century carbon printer. If you're interested in joining that promotion, I've got a video link down below. Watch that video. It's got all the rules and how to participate. All right, looks like he's tired. That's enough for him for now.